Okay, maybe I should file this under news and nonsense. But yeah, thieves stole Tom Cruise's BMW and a rare copy of Top Gun 2, Top Gun Maverick. Uh, it says here 1 week before Paramount Pictures decided that 2021 is too much of a risk for a theatrical release of either Top Gun Maverick or Mission Impossible 7, I guess because of the pandemic. His car was stolen from outside his hotel, right, right under his bodyguard's nose. Hey, McDonald's is hiring. The car was recovered. Everything was taken except one briefcase. One briefcase was left behind, and in that briefcase was an existing copy of Maverick, Top Gun 2 Maverick. I don't know. Maybe they're not a fan of Tom Cruise. Maybe they saw the movie already and they thought it's junk. Maybe they took it, made a copy, and stuck it back in the briefcase. I really don't know.